In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a post on Substack. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to confirm the removal so the post is taken off your publication. Make sure you're signed into your Substack account on a desktop or laptop browser for the smoothest experience. First, head to your Substack dashboard and open the post section. This is your central hub where all your content lives, including drafts, scheduled items, and anything you've already put out. If you don't see it immediately, look for the main navigation where Substack groups your writing tools. Next, switch to the published view. This tab filters your content to show only the posts that are currently live on your publication. It's the most reliable place to find the piece you want to remove, especially if you have a lot of drafts or scheduled posts mixed in. Take a second to scan the list or use the built-in search bar if you have many entries. When you find the post you want to delete, look to the right side of that row for the three-dot icon, sometimes labeled as More or shown as an ellipsis. That icon opens a small menu of actions specific to that post. Click it to reveal your options. From the menu, choose Delete. At this point, Substack won't remove the post immediately. Instead, it will display a confirmation prompt to make sure you really want to proceed. This safeguard helps prevent accidental deletions. If you see the prompt asking you to delete the post, review the message so you're clear on what will happen. Deleting removes the post from your publication and its public page. If the post was emailed to subscribers, that email can't be recalled, but the web version will no longer be available. When you're certain, click Delete on the prompt to confirm. You should see the post disappear from the published list, indicating the deletion was successful. If you change your mind at the last second, use the cancel option in the prompt instead, and nothing will be removed. To recap the flow you just followed: open posts, switch to published, use the three-dot menu on the post you want to remove, select delete, and confirm in the prompt. That's all it takes. A quick tip before you confirm: double check that you're deleting the correct post, because this action to button is permanent and there isn't an undo button after confirmation. And that's how you delete a post on Substack quickly and confidently.